In an era where access to information is unprecedented, organizations encounter a paradox. Advances in educational technology have not simplified the pursuit of effective learning and development strategies, they've complicated it. Traditional methods, once the bedrock of growth, struggle to meet contemporary needs. The inadequacies of these old approaches aren't minor setbacks, but serious obstacles to the progression of both employees and firms. The call to action is clear. We need a revolutionary shift in our approach to learning, a strategy that is innovative, engaging, and fundamentally transformative. Our exploration into these challenges marks the beginning of a journey toward a groundbreaking solution that promises to redefine the future of organizational development. Diving deeper into the forefront of innovative learning strategies, we encounter the 70-20-10 model. This strategy challenges conventional methods by advocating for a mix of experiential learning, social interactions, and formal education. With 70% of learning stemming from on the job experiences, this model emphasizes the importance of real world challenges in honing practical skills. In conjunction, 20% of learning derives from interactions with peers and mentors, fostering a culture of collaboration and feedback that nurtures personal and professional growth. Meanwhile, formal education, though reduced to 10%, remains crucial in providing the essential knowledge and frameworks needed in today's complex work environments. The 70-20-10 model's beauty lies in its adaptability, offering a multifaceted approach to cater to diverse learning needs. As we journey forward, we'll examine how this model not only revolutionizes learning strategies, but also profoundly impacts both individuals and organizations. It stands as more than a theoretical framework. It's a guide towards fostering a culture that values continuous growth and learning. Across the spectrum, from global enterprises to new startups, the 70-20-10 model serves as a catalyst for meaningful transformation. It paints a picture of organizations where learning is woven into the fabric of daily operations and where the collective strength of a team is built on a foundation of varied experiences and interactions. This approach has redefined success for many, transforming workplaces into environments where continuous learning is not just encouraged but celebrated. The model's flexibility has demonstrated its value universally, leading to more cohesive teams, innovative solutions, and empowered individuals. Embracing this model mirrors our natural learning tendencies, promoting not just enhanced performance, but inspiring a significant shift in development philosophies, both on a personal and organizational level. As we look to the future, let these stories of transformation encourage us to adopt a holistic, integrated approach to learning and development.